On my analysis, there were really two competing issues here. On the one hand, we have a lawyer who left practice to become a judge, was unsuccessful at being a judge, and then is coming back saying he wants to get reinstated so he can practice law and earn a living. On the other hand, the other factor is the reputation of the profession and whether admitting Mr. Camp into practice will have a negative impact on the reputation of the profession. My analysis of this situation, and it's derived from reading the proceedings of the Canadian Judicial Council, is that the issues of professional competence were actually dealt with in those proceedings. If you've had occasion to read them, he dealt with 3 people who gave him, I guess, counseling and education, and also they evaluated him. And all 3 of them, and these are all 3 people who are very strong witnesses in my view, all 3 of them said he recognized the error of his ways and that he had figured out what he'd done wrong and that in their view he was remediated. So that's the reason why, at least on my analysis, and once again I think this was reflected in the proceedings today, it was not an issue for me to say, do we need to look at his competence? The issue for me, as I said, was weighing the 2 factors of him wanting to go back into practice so he could earn a living against the potential that will bring the legal profession into disrepute.